Ako naman, as I've said, I never campaigned for Speaker Alan Cayetano. But I have to admit that under his leadership, Speaker Cayetano is the highest rated speaker in recent history of Congress. At sa akin, for the benefit of the national interest, the leadership of Speaker Alan Cayetano, Congressman Martin Romualdez, the chairman of the different committees, yung mga critical natin dyan, the Ways and Means, Operations, Games and Amusement, they're all doing very well. So parang why would we change the direction and track of Congress and our country when we are doing well? Passes approval of the budget. Even before the budget approvals, the required laws for finance, yung mga taxes natin, were immediately approved.